As far as the bridge is concerned, as I've said in the past, bridge has to come. Second, what I've said in the past, it is my endeavor to ensure that no house goes. Third, I've asked PWD to conduct a study, and because of the election code, we have not followed up with the matter. Now I will have a meeting with the PWD authorities and see what is the best alignment that they are proposing. Because they've listened to the farmers, they've listened to the Panchayat people, they've listened to me. Now let's see what they're proposing.
So, but the ICOPA ready to
what ICOPA see, it is people's right to express their opinion. They have expressed their opinion. Ultimately, government will be keeping in mind their views. We will try and find the best alignment. You see, it is very easy. You don't try and add fuel to the fire. The fact is that the bridge is coming on stilts. The fact is that the road will also be coming on stilts. So you have that area below the bridge and below the road to sow your field. Has the award been issued? Award is issued?
No.
Earlier, I have read from the papers are being furnished information by you, that so many times land acquisition dates have been fixed and the hearings are not taking place. So, what makes you say that the alignment is final?
People have also gone to NGT.